Have you ever wondered how scientists detect and measure earthquakes? Today, we're diving into the fascinating technology of the seismograph. Earthquakes generate seismic waves that travel through the Earth. To understand these powerful events, we need instruments capable of capturing even the slightest tremor. A seismograph, often called an earthquake detector, is an instrument used to record ground motion caused by seismic waves. The core function of a seismograph relies on the physical principle of inertia to differentiate between ground movement and a stationary reference point. Every seismograph has three fundamental components: a frame, an inertial mass, and a recording system. The frame of the seismograph is firmly anchored to the ground, so it moves instantly with any earth vibrations. The inertial mass, often a heavy pendulum or weight, is suspended or mounted to be free from the frame's movement. The recording system translates the relative motion into a visual or digital output, capturing the intensity and timing of the seismic event. The entire process relies on the principle of inertia, which is the tendency of an object to resist changes in its state of motion. When seismic waves hit, the ground shakes, causing the anchored frame to move along with the Earth. However, due to inertia, the heavy mass temporarily stays in place, remaining relatively stationary as the ground moves beneath it. The seismograph measures the relative displacement between the moving frame and the inertial mass. This relative motion is amplified and recorded, creating a detailed record of the seismic waves. The resulting graph, called a seismogram, provides scientists with the visual data needed to analyze the earthquake's magnitude and location. Today, most seismographs are digital, offering enhanced sensitivity, real-time data transmission, and sophisticated analysis capabilities. From detecting minor tremors to massive earthquakes, the seismograph is a vital tool for understanding the restless nature of our planet. These instruments are crucial for early warning systems and for continuously monitoring seismic activity globally, helping to save lives and mitigate risk.